Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So I've got a Master Lock M530. It is a 4-pin, and that bitting looks terrible, right? Not great. But this is also one that you can... give me the key back. This is one that you can take apart. So I will attempt, right, to get this picked, get that tag off of there, and then do a gut on it. So this is one that I did notice that 4 pins, and I'm pretty sure they are all spools. Oh no, it's gonna keep trying to. Maybe if I zoom out just a little bit. Nope, if I zoom out, it goes blurry. Oh no. Come on. Okay, we're just gonna have to go with that. All right, let's see what kind of damage we can do. Is it ever gonna not focus on my hand? No. There we go. Maybe. Oh my gosh, that's even worse. And if I go back here, it keeps trying to... Do I need to just lift up? Sorry guys. I'm trying to make it to where it's not blurry. One of the bad things about like watching a video from 11 years ago, I was watching a Bosnian Bill video the other day, and he's like, how to spot people that aren't really lock pickers on YouTube, right? And immediately, of course, you know, I get in my own brain because why not? And I'm like, man, I gotta make sure that my stuff is super clear, and I don't want anybody thinking that I'm just like, you know, not actually trying or whatever. What the heck? Okay, well, I mean, it's not done, but nothing's giving me a counter rotation. Is it the first pin? No. Okay, let's go to, okay, number 4 maybe. No. Okay, I just had a bunch of them drop out. False set, false set, false set, false set, false set. Good night. Why won't you open? Friggin' fly. I got flies in my garage. Go away. I'm trying to pick a lock. You're ruining it. Go away. There we go. Good night. I couldn't find the one that... what it was. I think it was number 3. Tag off. Good night. Alright, let's get this thing taken apart. Maybe. Did I screw it back together too tight? I popped out the core one time to see whether or not it was actually guttable, because, you know, some of these master locks have that little crimp on it. And High Lock Sporter I just watched a video that High Lock Sporter did where he tried to gut one, and it had that crimp on the other side. So let's do this. mine does not have that crimp. Ow. Nothing better than putting a wrench through your finger. If anybody knows how to get these things off easier, hit me up in the comments and let me know, because I am terrible at taking these C-clips off. As you can tell, because I can't figure out how to grip it like that. All right, come on now. Maybe a flathead. I'm about to grab my pliers out of my drawer is what I'm about to do. Trying to make this speedy, or as speedy as I can. Nobody wants a 40-minute video about me trying to break down a Master Lock 350. Uh-oh. Where'd my shim go? I had a shim over here somewhere. Oh no! How do you not have a shim ready to go? Hippie, come on, man. Pull it together. Alright. I think you guys are learning a lot about me right now. I'm very hectic and all over the place when I'm not really thinking about what I'm doing. Or if I'm overthinking. Alright, there we go. Key pins first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, nothing special on the key pins. Right? Master Lock. Not really expecting it to be special. Alright, try not to launch these guys anywhere. Oh man, that is... Oh! Duh. Can't really get the pins to come out when you don't pull out the shim. Alright, number 1. That's an aggressive spool. Alright, number 2. Another spool. Number 3. Spool. And number 4 is a spool. Bet you guys can't figure out why there was so much counter rotation. Alright, I'm just gonna set that guy right over there and bring you guys over here and zoom in on this. Alright, so there you go. There's the key pins, or the drivers, and good lord, I'm terrible at this today, guys. I'm sorry. Driver pins, key pins, nothing special about the key pins, and all spools for the Master Lock 350. Alright guys, I'll catch you later. Bye. Hey guys, so because I'm a complete goober and that sign off was terrible, I just wanted to point out one thing about this M350. If you guys do get this lock and you go to pick it, just be careful when you do a rotation. I'm pretty sure whenever I looked at the inside, the mechanism doesn't allow you to do like what the 410 does, where you can over rotate it and the pins will fall out, right? This one, you can do the exact same thing. There's 4 openings at the base of the plug and all that good jazz. So if you over rotate, there is a possibility that you could, I guess, rattle this. But like I said, I think that this has got a different mechanism for the shackle since it is spring loaded and it's not a dead core and dead shackle like the 410. I don't think that you can rattle it, but just in case, thought I'd give you guys a heads up, because I know on the American 1100, sometimes if I pick it and I leave it rotated and I go to put the shackle back in, sometimes the plug will like 360 itself. So anyways, all right, that's all I had left. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.